Hello, bright minds. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, your gateway to exciting learning adventures. If you've been with us since grade 2, you'll remember exploring the incredible world of numbers and unraveling the magic of place value. Today, we are taking it a step further with place value and expanded form, thousands and beyond. Let's rewind for a moment. In grade 2, we delved into the basics of place value. It's like a secret code that tells us how big or small a number is. We discovered the special places of ones, tens, and hundreds, the building blocks of our number system. We learned that each digit in a number has a different value, depending on its position in the number. For example, the digit 7 in the number 736 has a value of 700, because it is in the hundreds place. And now, as we step into grade 3, get ready for an even more exciting journey into the realm of thousands and beyond. Alright, let's dive in. Remember your special spot in class? Well, each digit in a number has its own special place too. We have our good old friends, ones, tens, and hundreds, and now, introducing thousands. When we have 10 bundles of 100 sticks each, we can exchange them for 1,000. It's like reaching for the stars, isn't it? So, we can say that the thousands place is the fourth place value from the right. It represents groups of 1,000. For example, the place value of 4 in 84,527 is 4,000. But hold on to your curiosity, because the adventure doesn't stop there. We are going beyond thousands, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and even millions. The possibilities are endless, just like your quest for knowledge. Here is a table showing the place values for numbers up to the millions place. To understand this table, it is important to know that each place value to the left of one's place is 10 times greater than the place value to its right. For example, the hundreds place is 10 times greater than the tens place, and the thousands place is 10 times greater than the hundreds place. The place value of a digit in a number is determined by its position in the number. The digit in the ones place represents the number of ones in the number, the digit in the tens place represents the number of tens in the number, and so on. For example, the number 2,487,365 can be represented in place value as follows. To read this table, start from the bottom and move up. The digit in the ones place represents the number of ones in the number 5. The digit in the tens place represents the number of tens in the number 6, which is multiplied by 10 to get 60. The digit in the hundreds place represents the number of hundreds in the number 3, which is multiplied by 100 to get 300. The digit in the thousands place represents the number of thousands in the number 7, which is multiplied by 1,000 to get 7,000. The digit in the tens of thousands place represents the number of tens of thousands in the number 8, which is multiplied by 10,000 to get 80,000. The digit in the 100,000 place represents the number of 100,000 in the number 4, which is multiplied by 100,000 to get 400,000. The digit in the million place represents the number of million in the number 2, which is multiplied by 1 million to get 2 million. Now, let's talk about expanded form. It's like breaking down a super cool secret code. Take a number, say, 7,832. Each digit has its own role, 7 in thousands, 8 in hundreds, 3 in tens, and 2 in ones. It's like a number party where everyone has a special part to play. But how do we write this in expanded form? It's easy peasy. To write a number in expanded form, we write each digit in its place value column, with a plus sign between each column. For example, the number 87,365 can be written in expanded form as follows: 80,000 plus 7,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 5. Expanded form tables are another way to visualize and understand place value and expanded form. Here is an expanded form table for the number 87,365. To read this table, start from the right and move left. Each column represents a different place value. The value in each column is multiplied by the place value. For example, the value in the 10 of 1000 column 80,000 is multiplied by the place value 10 of 1000 to get 80,000. Isn't that awesome? Now, you're not just reading numbers, you're decoding them like a pro. Thank you for joining us on this educational exploration. If you enjoyed this adventure into place value and expanded form, thousands and beyond, give us a thumbs up, share the excitement with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers. Stay curious, keep learning, and we can't wait to see you on our next mind-boggling learning journey. Happy learning!